Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I am going to be putting in a slipper plate and hub set, part number ARA3 310946. And this is for the Arrma Big Rock 3S BLX. And what happened on this was we were bashing it pretty good. Let me zoom in there for you. We're bashing it pretty good, and then right in there, you could see that this piece broke off, which was the slipper plate piece. So this is pretty dirty, so we're gonna take this all apart. Let me just adjust this camera. Take it all apart, and then we're gonna try to put this new slipper plate in. I've never put one of these in before, so this is the first time I'm doing it, so we're gonna do it together. And I think if I remember these Arrmas correctly, there is one screw here. We gotta disconnect this. This is the motor. So you don't have to disconnect it, but I like to disconnect it anyway. So that's right there, that one. It's nice that it's color coded so you know which one's gotta go where. Yellow goes to yellow, orange goes to orange, blue goes to blue. I'm gonna get these out of the way over here. That's out of the way. So now we're gonna take out this screw right in here. And then this has the pull-up lever right here. You just pull. And sometimes I use a screwdriver to pry it up. Okay. Now, I think we're going to take a 2.5 maybe. Yep, that's 2.5. Unscrew it. Take that out. I like to put these on this Velcro slot right here, and then we pull it towards us, and it should come out. That's out. Okay, so now we just gotta get a flathead and pry up on here a little bit. I'll pull up here and I'll pry in here, and it should come right out. So let me get a screwdriver. Okay, so we're going to take this flathead right here. We're going to pull up on here, slide it in, just pry it out gently. It's actually easier coming out. Going in is a pain, if I remember correctly. I used to have an Arrma scent on it. It was pain. Yes, there we go. Other side. I don't think there's another screw on there. Something's holding it. Let's see. No, there's no other screw. Okay, let's see. Let's pry it from this angle. Okay, there we go. Appears to be just, oh, we got a rock under there. If you can see that with the camera. There's a rock right there, so that might be hanging us up a little bit. But it is out. Okay, so we got that out. And as you can see, that slipper plate is pretty chewed up. Definitely not usable. All right, so to take this out, we're going to use a 2.5 millimeter. I'm going to zoom out so you guys can see it a little bit better. Okay, 2.5. Okay, so I got these out. I don't want to bore you with watching me unscrew these. I would use my drill, but the battery's dead. So take these out. That one's out. That one's almost out. That one's out. This one's stuck in there. We drove through puddles in these. I have a Arrma Granite BLX. We both did the same jump. Me and my girlfriend's son, same exact jump, and I think mine's newer, so I lucked out and didn't break anything, but this one's been through a lot, so. Okay, that is out. This is what we need to replace, which appears to be one of these. I don't know which one it is, but there's. Take this out. Let's see what we're working with over here. Should come right out. I don't know what is going on in this thing. Okay, there we go. Oh, so not only is it... Wow, that's insane. This thing is broken on both sides. So this bearing is pretty shot right here. I think you just pop this out right here. Let me set this down. Okay, so these bearings, so this bearing is all shot. As you can see, that bearing just fell apart. This whole thing is. So we're gonna need a bearing, and we don't have a bearing for that. This is supposed to split somehow. Yeah. So, as you can see, it's broken severely right here and right here on both sides. And this rebuild kit, you know, not for nothing, should come with a bearing. You know, you think that would be a nice gesture, right? And it does not come with a bearing. So, I was hoping to have this video completed today, but did not plan on this bearing breaking. So I'm gonna have to go to my local hobby shop. Unfortunately, they are closed as I am recording this video. They will not open till Thursday, which means I can't get there because I work Thursday and Friday, so I won't be able to get there until Saturday. So if you're watching this video and you want to see part 2, make sure you hit the bell notification and subscribe, because part 2 is going to be coming where we can actually put this back together. Unfortunately, I was not planning on this happening. I was hoping I could put it all back together and give it to him, and so he can bash it this weekend so we can go to like a skate park or something. But Saturday morning, I'll get up and go to my local hobby shop and we'll pick up the bearing that we need for this. And we will get this installed and back up and running. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. Bye.